Alright viewers, today I want to show you how to calculate quantity of concrete materials in a slab. Alright, don't forget my name is Raphael. Okay, we have a slab. This is a slab of the length A and width B. Now A is 30 meters. Yeah, A is 30 meters and B is 20 meters. Now the area, for us to get the quantity of material, first of all we have to get the area and also calculate for volume. That is simple. So we have area. The formula for area is L, length times breadth, and volume will give us L less than length times breadth times height. So substituting this to this, we have our area of this thing to be, or we can put here 30 times 20 will give us 600. If I'm not mistaken, but let me, 30 times 20 give us 600. I'm correct. So we have 600 square meter, and then our volume give us 600 square meter multiplied by 0.2. This is our H. So that gave us that should give us about 120 cubic meters. This is 120 cubic meters. So now how do we get our cement? Our quantity of materials, we have cement. Remember, before you get to cement, you have to calculate, you have to determine your mix ratio. So on this slab, we are going to use the mix ratio for a mass concrete slab, and then we have 136. The quantity of material required for 1 cubic meter standard is 136 will give us 5 bags of cement. So now 5 bags of cement per 1 cubic meter will give us 120 multiplied by 5. So 120 multiplied by 5 is 600 bags of cement. 600 bags of cement was cast this place. So now let's look at granites. Alright, granites, the ratio of 136 will give us 1 bar will give us 12 head pan of granite. So we have 600 bars multiplied by 12. Remember, this is 136, so 6. This is for head pan measurement. So calculating in bags, if you follow my previous video, you see that I've explained the ratio of 136 what it is. So this 6 is 12 head pan for 1 bar. So 600 multiplied by 12 should give us about 7,200. But let me use my calculator. 7,200 head pan. 7,200 head pan. So now, remember, you cannot go to the market and buy your granite in a pan. In my country, we buy per tons. So now, how many tons does it require on this project? Now, granite, 1 ton is equal to 40 head pan. How do you calculate that? 1 ton is equal to 40 head pan. How do you calculate that? Now, 1 head pan of granite is wedged at 25 kg. So 25, 1 ton is equal to 1,000 kilogram. So 1,000 kilogram divided by 25 will give us 40. So 40 head pan will make 1. 40 head pan will make 1 ton. So now you don't take ton mesh will be 7,200 divided by 40. Let's calculate. divided by 40. We have 180 tons. 180 tons of granite. So ton require is equal to 180 tons of granite. So now let's look at sand. Sand is 6 hectare. Remember, this is 136. So at 1 bag is into 2, so 6 hectare. So we have 600 bags multiplied by 6. That will give us 3,600. But let me use my phone. 3,600. Yes, 3,600. Alright, for us to get in trip, in my country we use 138 pounds for 1 trip of sand. So we have this 3,600 divided by 138. That will give us 26 tipper or trip of sand. So you have gotten our cement. Our cement will be 600 bags, our granite to be 180 tons, and our sand to be 26 trip of sand. So that is your material you are going to require to cast this place. So if you have any question, you can write it in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.